Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne first generation guys. This one will be generation 2002 to 2010. And if your front left or rear left turn signal guys, turn signal doesn't work, stay with us and we'll show you how to fix that. Now there is one fuse guys, one fuse that controls the left side turn signals. So that's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos. Our goal to save you as much money as we can guys by teaching you how to fix your car for free. So this is the Porsche Cayenne here guys. More videos could be found on our main channel. Okay, more mechanical videos, world mechanics and auto repair guys. Check those channels out guys. You'll mean a lot to us. Now, okay, we're going to turn the left turn signal on. Okay, and check out what's happening. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's try right. Right side works, left one doesn't work at all. So we're going to turn the ignition off now guys, and we'll show you what needs to be done. Okay, now this is guys, okay, where your fuse box is located. With a plastic panel remover to open this box, you have 5 clips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. So remove those. Those will be the fuse numbers here. And we need to locate fuse number 17 guys. Okay, fuse number 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 10 amp fuse. So we pull that one out. Okay, blown fuse guys. Check it out. We'll get a new one now. Okay, this is the new fuse. Push it in. Now we'll turn the ignition on. Put the cover first guys, don't forget. Turn the ignition on. And now it works. So that definitely fixed our problem. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.